We never have the right equipment. Hey, hold up. We got it, bro. Don't worry. He's a professional.
We going to fucking TowerTrax!
Dude, he just cracked the screen with his brick.
Hey, so Dinosaur makes its reappearance? See, I'm not a fucking...
What are those?
Croc. That is not Crocs, that is Cox. Sam with you, dude. Oh, they put me a bag in a bag. They're going there. Alright, I'm gonna go get ice.
Dude, Keegan, you could never amount to such loadedness like this unit.
Snap on fucking chrome handles?
Come see. It gets worse. I snapped the clip, putting it on. Show us around our lovely home. Let's start from outside. Start from outside.
Okay. So, outside. Hello. Hey, what's it doing? What the fuck? Pizza Man's here.
Oh, thanks.
Pizza Man's. Oh my god. Alright. Close the door, the bugs are gonna come. Dude, this is right. Room number 1. If you like choking on paper towel while you're sleeping, they got some. Close that up.
I think that's where I'm sleeping.
What's up there? Whoever's sleeping on there is getting AIDS. Alright. Then you got fucking casings there. At least it's camo. You got Keegan's.
Oh,
so you got the chode fuck shack right?
No, you're not sleeping there.
I'm gonna show you all the chode fuck shack real quick. Alright, kitchen, up to date kitchen. Really, just remodeled. Alright. Hey, I mean the stove's at least from 1884. Alright. Then you got
my grandmother's house is more fucking new.
The cleaning room, clean your balls and shit.
I wouldn't even clean the room.
I wouldn't get naked in here.
I
wouldn't get naked in here. You will catch something.
You can't catch what you already got, loser.
Alright.
Hey, they come with showers.
Hey, watch the door.
Hold on,
ready?
Open the door, Colin. Open the door.
Alright.
Oh, casing's in there and ready.
Yeah, this is the chode fuck shack, baby. As you can see, my lovely MILF.
That is a
got my fucking closet. Watch the door! Watch out! Watch him!
Nigga, take the door and throw it outside.
Man, fuck that!
Dude, 1964 AC.
Quality, up-to-date shit.
Dude, look how many windows in here. Yep.
Alright, wow! Oh!
Reminds me of scraping.
What the fuck is going on here? Great view!
You know, that's a window I want to look out of. That one right there. Wood is my favorite thing to look at.
Wait. Hey, look Jonah's door.
What?
Hey. Fuck you. I'd fit out of here.
That's Jonah.
Look, there's Jonah.
Probably super glued that bitch.
No, it's done.
Wait,
over with.
It ain't unlocking. Wow, this is a nice, lovely home. Wait, check our paper plates. Little bug guts on them.
And what about the broken door right there?
Oh, this one?
Hey, stop, we didn't know.
Jesus, fuck!
Hey, don't let the pizza touch
I wouldn't put your
anything.
phone right
I know.
You might get drugged putting your phone right there.
You're right. It's wet. The counter is literally wet.
Yeah, but you never know. If y'all didn't know, we are at fucking TowerTrax. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's soft.
That's
Yeah.
where Casey just sunk through his dick.
But it's a Can-Am. Yeah, it's really not too bad. But
It's not too bad.
it's kind of bad.
but it's bad.
You might get off.
A little bit. What a slime. Here, Greg. I'll hold your bear. Okay.
Fucking man.
He that took off, you was.
All right, Connor, since your dick's big.
Colin. What? Got my windshield dirty, bro.
Got stuff, man. Got fucking shit. Got all muddy on the first night, man. I'm gonna have to use that fucking trash ass shower.
Hey, but you know what?
I'm gonna have to catch a disease in the shower
But
tonight.
it's okay, because you know what? I send it.
Hey,
We didn't really send it, but it's
passing. We fucking passing.
It's just I don't
it's
have
okay.
any ground clearance, man. Just,
It's okay, you know? We're having a good time.
My left tire don't spin either.
I'm not. I fucking hate this bike.
Why, buddy? What's wrong?
Look at me, and you will fucking understand why I fucking hate.
Wait, can
this.
you can
No
you go
good.
ahead? Can you go ahead and press on the gas while I go and film this side?
Well, my right side is paralyzed. I heard that motherfucker breathe.
Oh, yeah,
it
that's
was
true.
loud as fuck.
We heard. Hey, wait.
Why? I done broke the front one. Look at this. I am bottomed out right here.
you'd have moved the back of your head.
That's stock axles.
You brought that action? God damn.
I ain't thinking about that fucking dumbass shit. Okay, you ready for that? Think I'm
Not bring that action.
Why the fuck you didn't tell me to bring your hand? Your hand?
That's why I'm fucking dumbass.
Got it.
Slime drain, come make a trip.
Mr. Tree.
I don't need no fucking one-side drive. This is a one-side drive tank.
My turn. Fuck. Need to avoid that. I got through it. Connor got through it 18 fucking times. Keegan is fucked.
Alright, go. Hold on. Alright, go.
Chode!
Motherfucker!
Alright, my
3.5
turn.
years of baseball workout.
Why would you break something?
That's what Keegan said.
2 or 4.
3.
Two-wheel drive if you bought it, yeah, if you bought it.
I'm not about it, bro. It's brand new.
I get it full. I mean, you say you can walk it.
Hey, you did say last weekend with warranty. Fucking pussy.
That is fucking true.
I'm not gonna dive into the peer pressure, bro.
Pussy.
I'm not creepy. Warranty
Hey, don't
is
hold,
peer
hey, don't hold that side. I'm trying to hook the bank. Hey, you walking the fuck out of it, brother.
He actually is.
Oh, he's actually walking the fuck out of it.
Oh, no. Got it, but no, don't help him. No. Give him my fucking money, bitch. Bitch, you didn't even. Hey, hit the next
so he can fix that voice crack.
Did you? Hey, you got a bad drop on
I'm catching you a fire roller.
with them badass rock lights. Hey, that bitch go.
Yeah, I'm scared to go.
Hold it!
I'm scared to go flip.
Yeah, but it can't flip over. Fall on the side like that. Go. You're good. It ain't even that bad.
Oh, shit.
Jason, you're gonna have to get on it. Give me a beer.
Somebody get right.
You need to change your axle?
Nigga, watch that exhaust, bro. Come on. Let's see where we can come change the axle.
Back up in here.
Hey, yeah. We can change my axle right here.
Just back up.
You scared?
See, this is where it'd be nice to have the dual throttle.
Stop saying the word.
Alright, get the strap. It would only flip whenever it's the opposite.
Not the forged rims.
Tires obviously are pretty decent.
I guess so. Everybody says they trash, bro.
I mean, even Connor says they trash.
It seems like they're pretty fucking good to me.
Unless he's just hitting the bottom and they're coming out or something. I don't know.
A lot of this shit seems hard, though. What's up? Hey. That says so.
Connor, what you are?
A pussy.
And
A big pussy.
and
I'm a bitch.
you're what?
I'm
You're what?
scared.
Yes, he's scared.
Whose bike's been sitting over there for 2 hours? Shut the fuck up.
Me and Gordon,
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, my bike's running. What you talking about? Bitch, I got one side
to that.
drive.
Listen to
What?
that.
What, that shitty fucking exhaust?
Oh.
Can-Am.
Oh.
You got my fucking stock tires on your bike.
Still
My
pay-
rims are bigger than your
Still
tires.
3/5 of the tuner's bike. Shut the.
Actually, Gordon paid you.
You paid him back though,
No.
right? Get my fucking ass.
Oh. Oh, wow. Hey, catch that front. Hey, that would have been sketchy going in.
Fucking right.
Well, he's not there, look.
Uh-oh.
Damn, your bike was clean, bro.
Another seat.
This place is SC1 over that?
Hey. Dude, it's crazy. Hey, this car is actually pretty impressive. Hey, you better run over here.
Hey, whoa, whoa. God damn it, my fucking bear.
Watch out!
I'll fucking full of
Damn.
Hey, you know what? Like, how do you do that to a $15,000 machine?
What do you mean?
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Like back into a hole, you know?
What?
Like that like that.
Met this random ass bottle with some 46s up there. Passing in this fucking pond thing. Me and Chode came out here. Nobody else was with us.
By the way, 5:04 in the morning.
It's like 5 something, yeah.
While I'm up in this bitch line, bands, I can stuff with that shit line. Fuck, turn the music up in this bitch line. Leaning